and welcome to another episode of our trip. Right now we are still in Dumfries in Galloway, and this time we are visiting Bruce's Stone. Yeah, that's where we are at the moment. So let's fly a drone and check out how the place looks like. And to be honest with you, the landscape here looks absolutely gorgeous.
I read in a guide that people take a stroll from Bruce's Stone to the highest mountain in southern Scotland, which is Merrick. Actually, we could see it in that drone footage.
This way or another, we didn't came here to watch the stones, we came here to ride the motorcycles. And that's what we are going to do. Well, anyway, I don't remember if you remember. I actually really enjoyed that part of the road, except there was plenty of potholes and the quality of the tarmac was absolutely rubbish.
No, it wasn't. The problem with this road is that it's really good tarmac, and at some point you just hit those potholes.
Yeah, like right now it looks smooth and flat and really gorgeous, and then
you go into that corner, you lean, and then you see this pothole. And
it is like, oh shit, fuck, or something like that.
What's nice about it is the remoteness. It's like there's almost no one. I think we passed like one or two RVs. There was one biker and maybe two cars.
Yeah, that's true. There was absolutely no one there. That was brilliant.
Sort of like the road for yourself.
Yeah. Well, actually, I love those kind of roads, especially when there is no cars. I don't mind bikers. Well, some of them are annoying, like you.
Yeah, I know. They make noise.
Yeah. Bloody Harley Davidson owners.
That take all the attention of all the ladies.
Yeah, of course, older ladies, yeah. Look, your friend.
I know. I have plenty of friends. I don't think anyone understood why you said this was my friend.
Well, he's got BMW like you do, so he must be your friend.
You say that all the BMW owners are friends.
They should be. It's like one big family. BMW owners. Yeah.
Oh look, that's new surface right there.
Yeah, well, this bit was absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the tarmac was way better now. I just said it's better, but I just jumped on the pothole. No, but it was slightly better later on, and the corners were much nicer. And time for the picture.
You said that it's an Isle of Arran that we can see in the background?
Yeah, I think that is, yeah. At least I was checking what can we see there, and then on the map there was no other mountains. One day we should go there as well.
Oh, and swim.
Yeah, we can take a ferry eventually.
You're a ferry.
Yeah, I'm a swamp fairy.
I thought that you can gonna say tooth fairy, but I'll take this one.
And now we are getting closer to Stryton, and we will be joining B741 road, and we did like a big circle around Galloway Forest Park, and now we will be slowly going back. But there is still plenty of interesting places. Well, maybe not plenty, but quite a few, so let's take a look at that. I remember those straight roads here.
I remember that they were quite scary at places. If you went too fast, you could fly, sort of.
Yeah. There were like small jumps here and there.
Which is fine if you're going straight, but if you're not going straight, it's... yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember that road. That was gorgeous. Do you remember that van driver?
Yep.
He was pretty fast. For sure he was local. I think now we were just following the same road as yesterday.
Oh, yeah, that's the A76, right?
I don't remember the number, but yeah, that's the same road.
Well, failed. You have to cut it out.
Yeah, it's just showing that your bike is not fast enough.
No, the guy started to speed up.
Which means your bike is not fast enough.
No, it means that I couldn't predict what he's gonna do next.
Yeah, I saw. I'm just laughing. Good decision.
You think I did something good? That's new.
So we arrived at our destination, which is the apartment, which you can see right now. That's the apartment over the shop in Castle Douglas, which we rented for 2 days, because tomorrow it will be raining. The whole day, and I mean crazily raining. But never mind, let me show you the apartment, which is really nice, and it was cheaper than any hotels in the area. And the area is not expensive really, yeah, but that was cheap. So we've got a bedroom, the living was before. Now there is a corridor, let me go downstairs. Yeah, that's the entrance. And another bedroom. Yeah, very big. Yeah, indeed. And that's really nice bathroom. And that's about it. Never mind the rest, there is a kitchen and all that nonsense. But never mind that, I think that's pretty decent apartment. And it was cheap. Or maybe actually reasonable priced. But never mind that, and let's go forward. And in the next episode we will be heading down south. So let's take a look what we will see there. we will just start the day.
Looks really warm, but it's not.
And finally, we will take a part of Southwest Coast 300 road and we will try to find out if that's interesting. Then we will do some stupid things, but at least it will be funny. And we will finally manage to find some single tracks. Also, we will find some quality roads, but there will be some lovely views there. And we will of course fly the drone, finding some interesting views. I mean like this one. And then, being finally in the Lake District, we will find the early model of the Death Star. But luckily there will be some boats, and birds, and more boats. And I will decide to buy a mansion, or chateau, or whatever that is. Actually that's a hotel. So if you enjoy, give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and all those bollocks. Anyway, thanks for watching. And of course, see you next time. Cheers!